I gave up chemical shampoos and used a natural fruit one. The result was amazing. First we take soap berry/soap nut. We wash these berries thoroughly in a large stone bowl. After washing, they are dried in the sun for 5 to 6 hours. While the soap berries are drying in the sun, we gather some herbs from the forest. The first herb we pick is called arbor vitae leaves. We cut and collect its long leaves and bring them home. After coming home, these leaves are dried in the sun for at least 7 to 8 hours. By this time, our soap berries have also dried well. Now we cut the soap berries into small pieces and remove all the seeds in the middle. The brown peel on top is saved because that is what we will use. Now this brown peel is put in a stone mortar and ground. By pressing the mortar hard, a brown powder is produced. This powder is taken out and then put in a hand grinder and ground further. Now we take the next herb, which is called privet, also known as celery. These seeds are ground well in an iron mortar and made into a powder. This powder is also ground again in a grinder and made even finer. After that, we take the next thing, which is called black ganoderma. This is also ground into a fine powder by putting it in a stone mortar. Now all the powders we have prepared are placed in the sun so that they dry thoroughly. When all the powders are dry, we mix them well in a basket. After that, little water is sprinkled on these powders with the help of a brush. Then these powders are mixed well again with hands. Now, this mixture is sieved through a sieve. It is sieved thoroughly for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, our natural powder is completely ready. When it is applied to the head, its result is in front of you. This was today's video. If you want to get this product, then be sure to tell us in the comments. We will tell you where to get it.